Hey guys, I'm gonna do another Marvel One video. Only I'm not gonna do the down the stairs one I just did like yesterday. But it's another Marvel One video. It's another Marvel One video. And like I said, on the 25th, I'm gonna do my Mega Flame review. I'm gonna do my Mega Flame review. So here is. Well, I'm in a brighter room this time, so I'm in a brighter room, so I won't. So the blue won't look as dark like before. So the blue will look as dark like the last video. So yeah, so that was only 2 pads. So I made a third one. Yeah, it goes like that. So I know what these thingies are used for now, but if we use for the funnels, but I have no clue how to put them on. Every time I try, they're always tough to get on. And besides, anyway, the end of the video. Stay tuned for the microphones coming on the 25th in 2 days.